I just thought about it that morning going in, because it was Ella, it was our daughter, who died. She had fatal fetal abnormalities, a particular condition, trisomy 13, and it was her anniversary that week, and it just struck me that the simple human reality of this had not been grasped by the government. Because there was a lot of red herrings in the debate, repeated by some government TDs and some of the opponents of abortion in this country, suggesting that this was some sort of, that it had anything to do with choice. Right? It hadn't. I mean, I'm very much pro-choice, but this was nothing to do with choice, because you're talking about, and we'd had personal experience of this, a very, quite, well, not a very rare, a somewhat rare situation where a child that you want cannot survive. And in that situation, I thought it was important to just underline the human reality of that, and to say that in these really appalling, tragic circumstances, that only the parents should have the right to say how they would deal with that inevitable tragedy. In the particular circumstance with my daughter, I talked to my ex-partner, we're still very good friends, who's the mother of our daughter. And I said, what do you think? Should I talk about this? And she felt, and we felt, that we should. And also because of the bravery of the other families who'd gone through this, I felt if they have the bravery to speak out about their personal circumstances and histories and tragedies, that I should, as a public representative, I had a certain obligation to do it in those circumstances.